So today we are going to finish this chapter. Fadil, Fadil is not there. Fadil, we are going to complete this chapter today. Please start doing. Let me know if you have any doubt in this. Are you able to solve this? If you're not, just let me know. Very good. Thirty-one is the correct answer. So I can let me know if you are not able to do any one of this. Say, Fadil, your network is not strong. 34 is the wrong answer. Did you complete this 32? Are you not able to solve this 32? See, initial concentration of this, and this is given, and reaction is given as this plus this is going to give you this and this. So concentration of this Br2 and this is given. How you are going to do this is very simple. Uh, you know that K will be, so wait a minute, rate is equal to K into CH3, COCH3 raised to the power X into Br2 raised to the power Y. And basically, this is the scenario in which we need to calculate the value of X and Y. How you are going to calculate? So with the help of this as well. As you know that initial concentration is given. So all we need to do is very simple. H plus is also there. H plus is also there. So we are going to take H plus as well. And one by one, we are going to do this. First, we need to write it. Say, wait a minute. I'm going to show you. First, this is the concentration of CH3, COCH3. And this is the initial concentration of Br2, initial. And then initial concentration of H plus as well. Initial concentration of H plus. And this H plus is basically from the reactant. You can see this reaction, the bromination of acetone that occurs in acid, that means here it is, you are using acid as well. And after this, what you need to do, initial concentration of H plus. After that, you need to calculate rate of disappearance of Br2, that is also given. Okay, so you need to write all the value accordingly. We did in the last class the same question. It is a big calculation, but there is 0.30 is given, 0.30, 0.30, and then 0.40. After that, concentration of Br2 0.05, 0.10, 0.10, 0.05. After this, H plus is 0.05, 0.05, 0.10, and then 0.20. After this rate of disappearance, that is given 5.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. Again, 5.7 into 10 raised to the power minus 5. 1.2 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. 3.1 into 10 raised to the power minus 4. Now you have to do it very smartly. This and this is same. This and this is same. So what you are going to do, take the ratio basically. If you are going to take the ratio, you will be able to calculate y. Then again, you are going to take the ratio with, just wait a minute, where it is equal. This As you know that the value of this is you already know. So you will be able to get an equation from this and this. Again, you are going to equate this, this, this. So you will be easily able to calculate the value of x, y, z. In the first equation which I told you, the equation number 1 and equation number 2, you will be able to get the br2 raised to the power y. If you will able to get br2 raised to the power y, you can choose another equation like second and third. In the first, you are going to use 1 and 2 and take the ratio. In the second, second and third. When you are going to use second and third, you can see that the CH3 CH3 CO CH3 is, you can easily, it will be cancelled, and this will also be cancelled. This will also be cancelled because they are equal. You will get z. After that, you can use this one, this and this, because yz we already calculated. You can calculate x. So after calculating, you will be able to realize that the answer is very simple, and that is br2 raised to the power 0 we are getting. So the answer will be this one, e 32 will be. The calculation might seems not difficult, but it's basically lengthy, not difficult. Let me know when you are done with this. Let me know if you are not able to solve it. Any answer for 33? 34 is not D. 34 is your C. This is your wrong answer. This is your 0.6. 0.93 upon k, not 0.5k. So ln 2k, or if you are going to change this in log, it will be 2.303 log 2 upon k. And log 2 has value 0.3010, which you are going to solve it. You will be getting this. So the answer is C. Is that clear? 33 is also, sir, how it is log 2? Yeah, when you are going to solve see, I'm gonna show it to you. Um, K is equal to, you know that, ln upon t, basically 1 by t. If you remember the formula, 1 by t ln r naught upon r, right? So for t half, if you are going to calculate t half, it will be 1 by k ln. Initial concentration will be as it is. The final will be half of the initial. So this cancel 2 will come in the numerator, and you will be getting t half is equal to 1 by k ln 2. So t half is equal to ln 2 by k. If you want to simplify this, you can solve it like ln. If you are going to convert it into log, you are going to multiply by 2.303 into log 2 upon k. When you are going to solve it, you will be getting 0.693 by k. So either this option is correct or this option is correct. Is that clear? Now for 33, very important question it is. The reaction of iodine, hydrogen and iodine monochloride is given as this. The reaction of first order with respect to H2 gas and ICl gas following mechanism were proposed. Mechanism A is this mechanism. This is the slow step on which you need to be focused, because slow step determines the rate of the reaction. Which of the above mechanism can be consistent with the given information about the reaction? That is your, just wait a minute. What is this A and B? A and B. Okay, let's say this is reaction mechanism A, mechanism B. Okay. So to determine the rate of reaction of any reaction, you need to have the mechanism, and in mechanism you need to know if it is a complex reaction, like more than one step, there must be. That is your slow step determined. In this, there is no slow step, so that's why the mechanism can be consistent with the given information about the reaction. That is B only. Slow step is very important because that step determines the rate of reaction and everything. The order of reaction, the molecularity and everything. 33 is B. Very good. Fadil, you never reply. Are you getting all of it, or you face problem in this question, type of question, this type of question? Any answer? Mm. 35 is very easy. It is still taking a lot of time. See, if 60% of the first order was completed in 60 minutes, 50% of the same reaction would be completed in. You just need to calculate the value of K. K will be equal to 2.303 upon T. And this is your log of initial concentration R naught upon final concentration R naught. We don't know the value of initial concentration. We know the value of time, that is 60% in 60 minutes. Log of, let's say initial concentration is 100 and 60% completed. So how much left? 40, right? So you just need to deal with this. 2 to the 4, 2 5 10. So K will be equal to 2.303 upon 60, and which can be written log 5 by 2. That means log 5 minus log 2. Do you know what is the value of log 5? Log 2 is 0.30, log 3 is 0.47, so log 5 this comes out to be 0.69 or 0.70 we can take. Let's say 0.69. So it will be 2.303 upon 60 into, you can see 0.69 and this is 0.30. So when you are going to subtract it, what you will get actually 0.70 minus 0.30, 0.39. And after to calculate 50%, that means half life it is asking. Or you can use this formula for calculating in this formula as well. So after solving it, 0.39 into 2.303, that comes out to be 0.898 divided by 60. If you are going to divide it by 60, it will be 0.014. 0.014 is the value of K. Now you need to calculate time. T half is equal to 0.693 divided by 0.014. So 0.693 divided by 0.014, that comes out to be 49.5 minutes. That means 50 minutes is the correct answer. So you can calculate the value of K and use the formula of T half and get the answer. Are you getting my point? Just wait a minute. Is there any mistake? Because the answer is something else. Just wait a minute. 2.303 and 2.39. What did this say? 50% of the same reaction would be completed. 50% is half time. T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. 0.693 upon 0.01. Wait a minute. 2.303 into 0.39. Okay, that is okay. Divided by 60. That comes out to 0.014. Divided by 60. 0.01. This 0.693 divided by 0.01. Oh, don't use this. Wait a minute. If we are going for this time, this will be 2.303 upon k. K is, what is the value of k? 0.014. Okay, log of initial concentration. Now 150% completed, that means 50 is left. So here what we will get, 2.303 upon 0.014 log of 2. Log 2, that means 0.30, right? Okay, that means I was correct. 0.30. And if you are going to solve this, so what it becomes, 2.303 into 0.30, and which is going to be divided by 0.014. Okay, 49.5 you will get. You can use the any formula. Actually, the given answer is incorrect, I think. So D is the answer. Write it. 303. You have to be very careful while you are going to solve this, because the values are very near to each other. I just realized my mistake. You are going to take the value exactly. So it will be around 46 or something minutes. So it is basically 45 minutes. Actually, I took approximation. That's why the answer was 45 minutes. So you need to be very precise when the options are nearer to each other. Is that clear? Sahid, is that clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
You can take the screenshot of these three questions. Very important. And do it. Going to have here. Please take the screenshot of this question. Next chapter, which chapter we are going to start? Shahid. Okay, we are going to start amines in the next class. Okay, Sayed, Fadil.